Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Stories. Have you ever watched a drama and wanted to tell someone about it in English? Maybe your friend asked, "What's the drama about?" But you didn't know how to explain it. Don't worry. In today's lesson, I'll teach you a very simple method to explain any drama story in English. You don't need difficult vocabulary or perfect grammar. You only need 5 easy steps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to explain your favorite drama clearly and confidently. So, let's get started. Step 1. Introduce the drama. First, tell the listener the basic information. Ask yourself, what is the drama about? Who is the main character? Where does the story take place? Useful phrases. This drama is about. It's the story of. The main character is. The story takes place in. Example. This drama is about a young girl who dreams of becoming a doctor. The main character is Sarah, and the story takes place in a small town. Step 2. Explain the beginning. Now explain how the story starts. Useful phrases. At the beginning. First, in the beginning, everything seems. Example. At the beginning, Sarah is a hardworking student. She studies every day because she wants to achieve her dream. Step 3. Explain the main events. This is the middle of the story. Use linking words. Then, after that, later, meanwhile, suddenly, because, however. Example. Then, her family faces financial problems. After that, she almost gives up her dream. However, her teacher encourages her to continue studying. Step 4. Explain the ending. Now tell how the story finishes. Useful phrases. Finally. In the end. At the end of the drama. Example. In the end, Sarah becomes a successful doctor. Her family feels proud, and everyone celebrates her success. Step 5. Share your opinion. This makes your English sound more natural. Useful phrases. I really enjoyed this drama because my favorite character is. I recommend this drama because the story teaches us that. Example. I really enjoyed this drama because it is inspiring. It teaches us that hard work and determination can help us achieve our dreams. Whenever you explain any drama, remember this simple formula. Introduction to beginning to main. Events to ending to opinion. If you follow these 5 steps, you can explain almost any drama in simple and natural English. Now it's your turn. Choose your favorite drama and explain it using these 5 steps. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak confidently. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll become. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Stories, and keep practicing English every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.